What's up, guys? It's October and time for our blogging income report. Alright, let's kick this off by discussing our social media key performance indicators. We're going to start with YouTube. You probably noticed the color coding here. Green represents a metric that has gone up in value since last month. Orange are areas that stayed the same, and red would be an indicator that has decreased since the previous month. So in the month of October, we ended with 358 YouTube subscribers. That's a gain of 55 subscribers since last month. We ended the month with just under 2,500 views for a lifetime total of 11,500. Almost 19% of our monthly views came from external sources, other social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, anywhere where we promoted our YouTube channel. Our total watch hours for the month is at 159. That gives us a total of lifetime watch hours of 713. Our watch hour growth is at 20%. This month, YouTube gave us almost 28,000 impressions. Our click-through rate is about the same as last month. It's at 4.2. Average view duration is also about the same as last month. It's at 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Number of videos we put out this month was only 3. We just had a busy month and we lost a week. And the age of our channel is 8 months. How are we coming on our monetization goals? Well, our lifetime hour goals is at 4,000, and we're not quite a quarter of the way there yet. Our total subscriber goal is 1,000, and we are just over a third of the way there. Our Instagram metrics. We ended the month with 987 followers. That's 20 more followers than we had at the end of September, with a growth rate of 1.23%. We posted 17 times. We reached 359 accounts. Profile visits were at 160. 31 people entered our website through Instagram. We had 127 interactions with our content, and we had just over 1,500 impressions on our Instagram account. As you can see here, everything is in the red, which means we lost traction from last month. We posted 10 less times than we did in September, and then our reach and our impressions were significantly lower. I think maybe we just lost momentum through Instagram's algorithm by not staying consistent with our posts. And also, maybe the content we're posting on Instagram isn't attractive. We're doing a lot of graphic design posts, and we both have noticed that when either Jazz or I do a post with our face in it, those usually get more traction. Our link in bio, this is also Instagram stats. Page views to our link in bio were at 49, which is just over half as many as we got in September. Button clicks went up to 19, so that's pretty impressive considering all our other stats are lower. September there was 15, now there's 19. That means we sent 4 more people to our blog post in October than we were averaging in September. Post clicks, 19. And our click-through rate has fallen a little bit, not too much, 9%. Facebook stats. We ended the month with 6 more followers than we had in September. Page likes are up to 54. We posted 12 times this month. Our Facebook post is really just sharing new content from our YouTube channel and from our blog. We reached 889 people. Post engagements down from 150 to 82. Pinterest is a social media that we're not putting a lot of focus on right now. We still have 3 followers. We've added some pins lately to promote a campaign that we're running. Our impressions are at 16. Let's talk about the key performance indicators for our email list. I love seeing the growth of our email list. Email is such a great tool for bloggers, has a lot of money earning potential. And we're doing real good. August, we only had 20 subscribers. In September, we grew to 131. End of October, we now have 235. That is a growth this month of 128. So that's great to see this continued growth. Unsubscribes, we had 8. Just over 1,600 emails that we put out this month. Average open rate has fallen just a little bit, 7%. Now it's holding at 30%. The number of emails opened this month, just under 500. So just under a third of our emails sent out last month have been opened. Our click-through rate within our emails is just over 2%, which transfers over to 45 links clicked within our emails. No one has marked us as spam, which is good to see. To me, that says we're providing content and useful information to our subscribers. You know, that's also reflected too in our unsubscribes. So not only does it mean we're providing good content, but we're also targeting the right audience. We haven't really been promoting our lead magnets this month, but if you come down here to our sponsor post pricing toolkit, you see we got 28 subscribers there and 8 subscribers from our monetization tracker. That's the same tool we use on our blogging income report. You can head over to our website and download it for free if you like this tool that we're using. All right, let's talk about our metrics for our website. You can see here as of October, we now have 29 articles on bloggingmoneylife.com. All of those articles so far are original content, stuff that either Jazz or I have written ourselves. The age of our blog is 3 months old. SEMRush reports that we are now ranking for 126 keywords. That's huge. That's an increase of over 90 keywords since September. So, you know, just a lot of good SEO, and we're putting out some good content. SEMrush also reports the number of keywords on that first page of Google are 9. And of those 9 keywords, 2 of them are in the top 3 positions. We have 39 organic traffic sessions. Our domain authority is still ranking 3 out of 100. Our Alexa score has increased from 93 to 75,000, which is pretty cool. 26,500 Google Search Console impressions. Total clicks, 266. Total page views this month is at 2,239. If you watched last month, you'll remember that there was a hack attempt on our account that tried to bum rush us with traffic. That's why last month has a high total page views. But this month in October, those are legit numbers. It's hard to say what September is supposed to look like, but it would probably be somewhere between 800 and definitely under 2,000. So we're doing good. 679 users in October. Sessions also have gone up to 865. Our average session duration has gone down a little bit since August. Once again, all these metrics in red from September are skewed because of that hack attempt. But just look over here to August and you'll kind of be able to piece together what kind of growth we're experiencing. Bounce rate is at 5%. Direct traffic, 112. Organic traffic, that's the traffic we love to see. Those are the people finding us through Google or stumble across us and they get on our website and look around, read something. That's 407. Ginormous increase from the previous month. We have 4 viewers that have come to us through our email. We have 14 referrals from other websites that has stayed the same. Our social media traffic has gone up from 53 to 147, which is interesting because I feel like we've been slacking this month on social media, but somehow our traffic has still increased by over 100 visitors. Facebook has really been pulling in the traffic for us. 146, Instagram's at 16, Twitter's at 0, YouTube has sent 30. So let's talk about Facebook real quick. The stats I just went over from Facebook are really small. I think we had like 56 followers. Well, this traffic coming from Facebook just isn't coming from our personal Facebook. We also share new content on groups like Blogging Supporting Bloggers. Sometimes we share content on our personal Facebook accounts. All right, how do those numbers actually translate to income? Let's check it out here on the October income report. Affiliates. We are not working with any affiliates. We're focusing on other campaigns, getting our traffic up, growing our email list, and promoting some of our own products. Advertising networks. Right now, we're only working with Google AdSense. We only qualify for Google AdSense. But as we get more traffic, we'll be able to qualify for some higher paying networks. But we did earn $7.72. Which is a huge increase from last month where I believe we earned 26 cents. You know, $7 isn't a whole lot of money, but it is nice to see that growth. It's probably the most satisfying $7 I've ever earned. We haven't done any sponsored posts yet, but we're tuning our website and we'll get there eventually. Same with partnerships. Products. We haven't promoted our products that hard. If you watched the first and second blogging income report, you might remember that we sold one of our products in a 4-month payment plan. That buyer is now in the 3rd month of the payment plan. We received $99 for them, and we'll see another $99 next month. This month, we also sold a subscription to the Blogging Money Update for $29.99. If you're curious what the Blogging Money Update is, it's a newsletter that goes out a few times a week, and it basically blasts a bunch of different sponsored post opportunities to the subscribers. I think the sponsored posts range anywhere from $60 to as high as $6,000. Returning subscribers to the Blogging Money Update is at 3, generating just under $90 a month. So our total product sales this month come into $219. But we have expenses as always. These are the same reoccurring expenses we have every month. Morning Fame is a YouTube tool we use to help us monitor and track our metrics. Epidemic Sound is another YouTube tool. Later is an Instagram scheduling management tool. SiteGround is our hosting provider. Canva is a graphic design tool. MailerLite is our email management tool. We use a free version. Grammarly is a content editing tool. And our total reoccurring expenses come out to $73 this month. We didn't have any single-time expenses this month. We do have a reoccurring personnel expense. It's our transcriber. She takes our YouTube videos, transcribes them, which allows us to make captions for our YouTube videos and turn those videos into a blog post. Total personnel expenses were at $55. So let's talk about our October profit and loss summary. Our monthly gross income was $226. Our monthly expenses were at $128, which leaves us a net income of $77 for the month of October. And that's not bad for our 3rd month of blogging. It takes a while to make money, and I'm just happy we're covering expenses. Alright, this wraps up October's income report. If you like the monetization tracker tool that we use, we give it away for free. I'll link to it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you got something out of it, please hit the like button. If you want to come back for more videos on blogging or Costa Rica, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.